Hey everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to install WAMP server on your Windows machine. If you are a web developer or just getting started with the web development, WAMP server is a fantastic tool to run a local web server with Apache, MySQL and PHP. So let's dive right in and get it set up. First let's download WAMP server. So head over to the official website at the wampserver.com. Once you are on the website, scroll down a little bit, we can see the download button. After clicking on the download button, it going to show us a pop-up form. In that pop-up form, let's click on you can download it directly. It will redirect us to download page. It will start the downloading. Here I have downloaded already, so let's go to the downloaded file. And now double click on the application which has been downloaded. Now so it will ask us the permission which you are required to run the application. After accepting the permission from the WAMP, it will ask us to set up the language, and next accept the license agreement. After that click on the next. Now it is showing us that we are missing some packages in our Windows. Missing some package of Visual C++. So we need to download these packages from the WAMP server website. So here is the website. So let's find out what packages are missing and download it. After downloading the file, let's go to the downloaded folder and run the application which has been downloaded, and give the permission to run the application, and after that accept the terms and install it. And let's click on the next and set up the destination location for the WAMP folder. After set up the folder, click on the next and it will start installing. While installing, it will ask us to set up the browser to be used, and also need to set up the text editor. After installation, click on the next and finish the setup. Now we have successfully installed the WAMP application. Now let's go and check WAMP folder which has been installed. In that, for now let's go and check the PHP versions. So let's go to the PHP folder in the bin. In the folder it has some PHP versions already downloaded from the WAMP installation. For now, let's go with the PHP version 8.131. Let's copy this path. Now let's go and search for the environmental variables. In that environmental variables, it will pop up another window. In that if we want to change the PHP version only for the certain user or for the entire system, we can set it up here. For now, let's go with the user variables. In that select path, click on the edit, and in that new pop-up window, click on new. In that paste the copied path and click on the OK. Now let's launch the WAMP application. Now it will ask us the permission to allow it. Now WAMP application is running on our machine. Now let's our PHP version in the command prompt. Now we can see our PHP version is 8.13.